What's up, rich girlies? What's up, rich hustlers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad y'all are back watching my videos. I see 97% of y'all watch my videos and y'all don't subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get candy curls with a flat iron. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you're going to need obviously is a flat iron and a comb. You want to section your hair off. And I also added some layers in this unit. I actually end up cutting the unit into like a bob. But I will show y'all kind of how that looked in the end. And then you just want to grab a piece of hair. I am also using the Silken Serum by Design Essentials. And I'm using my comb and my hands to kind of just comb it through. I'm going to do one pass with the flat iron on high heat. And I like to just kind of push down the flyaways as I do it. Usually I do 1 to 2 passes and then I begin my curl. So you want to kind of take the piece of hair and flip it while you're curling it. So I messed that one up, but you want to kind of flip it and turn the flat iron while you're flipping it. So when you do that, you're going to start curling the flat iron up. And then once you have it all the way up, you're going to hold it for a few seconds. You don't want to burn the hair. And then release it into your hand. After you do this, you're going to roll it as tight as you can. And then you want to take a large clip and you're going to clip the curl in place. Now I'm going to show y'all this again. For the back curls, I like to curl up. And for the curls in the front, I like to curl down. So I curl like I regularly would curl. But you want to make sure you curl in those directions so the unit can fall effortlessly, okay? And you just keep sectioning it off and curling in those directions until you get the unit how you want it to look. So this is another demonstration of me curling the hair. I'm doing a pass and then I'm doing another pass. And this is when I start actually curling the hair. If the hair is a little bit longer, you want to flip the hair over, curl it all the way down, and then flip it up. So once you're done curling, this is how the unit should look, all pent up and ready to go. And this is how it looks in the front. When I said curl down, you would curl how you normally would. If y'all would like a more detailed video of curling and layering, I can do a more detailed video, but this is how the wig turned out. I did not like the layers I put in this wig. I feel like the wig was just a little too thin for my liking for the layers that I put in it, but the color is bomb, and the curl, it really does hold a nice curl. And this is just me taking out the curls, and I'm gonna show y'all how they look in the end. The curls were very, very pretty. It did not take me very long to do this, but I am overall happy with the result. I did end up having to cut the hair even because the layers were just not looking how I needed it to look, but I did not cut it with shears. This is how the curls look. I also did want the curls to fall a little more voluminous. This is still okay. This is how I end up cutting it at the end. It still came out real cute, real cutesy, and I'm pretty sure I will end up wearing it because it is cute. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really hope this helped, and I'll see y'all in the next one.